Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today we're going to discuss about weather instruments. In this lesson, you will be able to identify the weather instruments used in measuring weather elements. Are you ready? How do meteorologists gather data about weather conditions? What do they use to describe the weather for the day? Meteorologists use a variety of weather instruments to gather data and provide accurate and useful information to make the weather forecast based on weather parameters and patterns. Weather instruments are very useful in describing the weather. Here are the different weather instruments and their uses. Thermometer, wind vane, anemometer, hygrometer, rain gauge, and barometer. Thermometer. It is used to measure the temperature in the air. The liquid inside the tube of a thermometer may be alcohol or mercury, which expands when it is hot and contracts when it is cool. Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin are the units commonly used to measure temperature. Wind vane. It is used to determine the direction of the wind. It has a pointer and a tail. The pointer indicates the direction where the wind is coming from, such as the directions north, east, west, and south. Anemometer. It is used to measure wind speed. The cups catch the wind and cause it to spin. The more spins that an anemometer does per minute, the greater the wind speed. It usually expressed in kilometers per hour or miles per hour. Hygrometer. It measures humidity or the amount of moisture in the air as relative humidity. Relative humidity is the ratio of the moisture in the atmosphere to the maximum amount of moisture that the atmosphere can hold. The average reading of relative humidity ranges between 30% and 60%. Rain gauge. It is used to measure the amount of rainfall. It is placed in an open space to collect rain or other forms of precipitation. Light rains have a rate of fall from trace to 2.5 millimeters per hour. Moderate rains is between 2.5 millimeters and 7.7 millimeters per hour, and heavy rains is greater than 7.5 millimeters per hour. Barometer. It measures air pressure. A rising barometer means sunny and dry conditions, whereas a falling barometer means stormy and wet conditions. A weather satellite is a type of satellite that is used to monitor the weather and climate on Earth. It carries instruments that collect information about the atmosphere. Satellite images are used to provide information for places where observations cannot be made from the ground. Once again, these are the weather instruments: thermometer, wind vane, anemometer, hygrometer, rain gauge, and barometer. Name the weather instruments. These are your choices: thermometer, wind vane, barometer, anemometer, hygrometer, and rain gauge. Hygrometer. Rain gauge. Barometer. Wind vane. Anemometer. Thermometer. Choose the correct answer that tells about weather instruments. You may also write your answer in your notebook. Which instrument is used to measure air temperature? A. Barometer. B. Thermometer. C. Anemometer. D. Rain gauge. It's B. Thermometer. A barometer is used to measure A. Wind speed, B. Air pressure, C. Humidity, D. Precipitation. It's B. Air pressure. What weather instrument measures wind speed? A. Barometer, B. Thermometer, C. Anemometer, D. Rain gauge. It's letter C. Anemometer. Which instrument is used to determine wind direction? A. Anemometer, B. Thermometer, C. Wind vane, D. Rain gauge. It's letter C. Wind vane. What device is used to measure humidity in the air? A. Hygrometer, B. Barometer, C. Wind vane, D. Rain gauge. It's letter A. Hygrometer. A rain gauge is used to measure A. Wind speed, B. Precipitation, C. Air pressure, D. Cloud cover. The answer is B. Precipitation. A thermometer works based on which principle? A. Wind direction, B. Humidity levels, C. Air pressure changes, D. Expansion and contraction of liquids. The answer is D. Expansion and contraction of liquids. What happens when the air pressure drops? A. Weather is likely to be clear and sunny. B. Rain or storms may occur. C. Temperature increases. D. Humidity decreases. It's B. Rain or storms may occur. An anemometer consists of A. A liquid-filled tube, B. A measuring scale, C. A spinning propeller, D. Cups that catch the wind. It's letter D. Cups that catch the wind. Wind speed is often measured in which unit? A. Kilometers per hour, B. Degrees Celsius, C. Centimeters, D. Inches. It's letter A. Kilometers per hour. What happens to the anemometer cups when wind speed increases? A. They move slower. B. They stop moving. C. They spin faster. D. They shrink. It's letter C. They spin faster. What does a hygrometer measure? A. Wind speed, B. Moisture in the air, C. Temperature, D. Air pressure. It's letter B. Moisture in the air. A wind vane usually points in which direction? A. The direction the wind is blowing to. B. The direction the wind is coming from. C. Towards the sun. D. North at all times. And the answer is B. The direction the wind is coming from. What unit is commonly used to measure temperature? A. Celsius, B. Fahrenheit, C. Kelvin, D. All of the above. It's letter D. All of the above.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.